Hello, kids. Remember that a written response tells the author of the article what the readers think about what they read. It usually starts with a salutation because it's like a letter, like an email with "Hello, sir" or "Hello, friend," and it ends with a closing like "Your friend" or "Sincerely" or "Regards." Okay, this is like writing an email or writing a letter, and it shows the writer what the readers think about the article that they read. Okay, premise. The premise is the reason of why are we writing this letter, what details or what is the objective of writing the letter or the email. Why do we write it? Do we think it's important? Do we think it's incomplete? Do we want to give advice? Do we want to have more information about it? That is the premise, is the reason of why are we writing to the author of an article, of a book, of a song, of whatever thing we can read online or on books. Okay? We have three kinds of premise. The first one is emotional. Is when we write to the author expressing our feelings. What do we think about this article? What does it make us feel? Do we feel attacked? Do we feel that it's something important for the community? It's expressing our concern as well. That is the premise of writing it in an emotional way. Okay? The second type of premise is evaluative. Is when we tell the author if we think it's correct, if we think it's incorrect, if we want to give advice to make it better, or if we think it's not important and it should not be published. Remember that everything has to be in a polite way because we are criticizing the work of others. Okay? That is the evaluative premise. An interpretive premise is when we explain the text to others or when we explain to the author if we have some question about it. Also, when we explain it to others, dividing it in different topics, characters, plot, the climax, the main topic of it, principal ideas, secondary ideas. All of that is when we interpret, that is why it's called interpretive, when we interpret the parts of a text. Okay? Remember, all of these are kinds of written responses. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye, guys.